In the world of rugged smartphones, the Cubot KingKong 8 is a true powerhouse. With its robust appearance and an array of impressive features, this device is built to withstand the most challenging environments and deliver top-notch performance. One of the standout features of this new release is the addition of two powerful LEDs, turning it into a reliable flashlight in your pocket. Let's dive deeper into the remarkable features that make the Cubot KingKong 8 a must-have for adventurers and outdoor enthusiasts. The Cubot KingKong 8 boasts a rugged appearance that can take a beating and keep on working. Measuring 20mm thick and 169.9 by 80.2mm in dimensions, it's a substantial device that feels solid in your hand. Weighing in at 382 grams, it's built to endure tough conditions. The device is certified with an IP68 and IP69K rating, ensuring it's waterproof, dustproof, and capable of withstanding high-pressure water jets. One of the standout features of the KingKong 8 is its exceptional flashlight capability. With a maximum brightness of 6,000 lumens, this smartphone is not just for making calls or taking photos. It can light up the darkest nights, making it an essential tool for camping, hiking, and emergency situations. To power its impressive features, the KingKong 8 is equipped with a massive 10,600 mAh battery. This extended battery life ensures that you can stay connected and make use of the flashlight feature without constantly worrying about recharging. Whether you're on a multi-day adventure or in a situation where power is scarce, the KingKong 8 has got you covered. Under the hood, the Cubot KingKong 8 is driven by the capable MT8788 chipset. With 6 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of internal storage, you'll have ample space for all your apps, files, and media. The storage is expandable, though you should keep in mind that expanding it might require sacrificing the dual SIM setup. The KingKong 8 is equipped with a 48 megapixels main camera and a 16 megapixels front-facing camera, allowing you to capture stunning photos and videos, even in challenging conditions. Additionally, its GNSS module supports GPS, GLONASS, and Galileo for precise location tracking. With support for both 2.4 and 5.0 G Wi-Fi networks, you can stay connected at faster speeds. Running on Android 13, the KingKong 8 provides a modern and user-friendly experience. It also features a convenient side-mounted fingerprint sensor for quick and secure access to your device. At €235, the Cubot KingKong 8 is an excellent investment for those who need a smartphone capable of withstanding the most demanding conditions without breaking the bank. Whether you're an avid explorer, an outdoor enthusiast, or simply seeking a reliable device for everyday use, this rugged smartphone provides an affordable solution that doesn't compromise on quality. The Cubot KingKong 8 is the latest addition to the rugged smartphone family, and it's setting a new standard for durability and performance. With its exceptional flashlight capability, long-lasting battery life, powerful hardware, and comprehensive connectivity options, it's the perfect companion for outdoor enthusiasts and professionals working in demanding environments. Whether you're exploring the great outdoors or simply need a reliable device for tough conditions, the KingKong 8 has you covered. Embrace the rugged revolution with Cubot's KingKong 8. What do you think about the new phone? Write your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day and good luck.